After we finish tracing, so I have my traced leaf on here. Again, yours should be done in pencil. Mine is done in pen so that it's darker for you to see. I have a bunch of examples, and you'll notice that these examples have all of the veins, all right? Now, they don't have all of the veins. Usually you would have other lines that would come out this direction. What we're doing is we're using the natural veins that are on our leaf to make different sections in our leaf, all right? And you want to have at least 4 sections. So some of you might decide you want another line here, and you might want another line here. That's going to give you then 6, because it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different sections inside of your leaf. What we're doing with those sections, you will find out, but you have to decide what are the main veins. So what we've done is we've taken our leaf tracer, okay, and we've looked at that. And so you are looking at these main veins that are on here, and you're going to be drawing those. For those of you that are struggling with that, I've taken the same leaf that you had, and I have drawn the main veins on here. And what I've done is I have then gotten rid of the color and put it on something that looks like this. So again, could I have done this line here and this line here? Yes, but you have to decide, do I only want 4 things or 4 sections, or do I want to challenge myself a little bit more and add 2 more sections? So I'm leaving that up to you with the maple leaf. Okay. So there are these examples that you can refer to. All right, so how do we draw? What do we do first? We are going to start always with capping your stem. So basically we're going to go from one side of the stem right where it meets the leaf, and we're going to come down to the other side where it meets the leaf. That's the first step. Then from the center of that, we are going to make a line that goes to the tallest center point. All right. So again, looking at this leaf, we're going from here up to here. And remember, yours is flipped over like this. So that's why yours might be going a different direction. And that is also why I've flipped this over, so you can see how that matches. All right. So now we have this center line. We have our stem capped. Now you're going to look at your leaf, and every leaf is different. All of the lines all come off of the stem for this one. All right. So we're going to go to this next tallest point, and we're going to come down to the stem there. We're going to come down to the stem there. And then these ones, if you choose, so you could stop right here if you have the maple leaf, or you can do those ones. All right. So as confusing as this might be, all you are doing is drawing the main vertical lines for the veins. The step after that is going to be going over everything with a permanent marker. So you're going to be getting a permanent marker. I would start first by slowly going around the edge. You'll notice I turn my paper. I always like to come towards my body. It's more natural with my hand. And if I don't have to go horizontal, I make straighter lines. So to do that, I turn my paper constantly to make sure that I'm drawing towards my body each time I make a line. If you go off of that line, just keep going, because Remember, we can erase it. Yours is pencil. Mine is pen, so I need to go a little slower, right? And I want you to go slow no matter what. But you have a little bit of more room for error. Then we are going to start just like we did with the last step. We'll cap our stem first, and then we're going to come down center, and then we'll do our sides. And that is how far I want you to get today.